right here. The orchestra will be filling up the Blaisdell Concert Hall with sounds from Star Wars: Return of the Jedi. Joining us now is Principal Trumpet David Nakazono and Acting Principal Flute Claire Stars-Butin. How are you guys? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us. Star Wars, you say?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Star Wars.
Excited for this one.
I'm ready. You know, Star Wars is very iconic for everyone. Now, how has it influenced you guys as musicians?
Well, even before I picked up the trumpet, Star Wars was music that I had grown up with. The first Star Wars movie I saw in theaters was Episode 3, Revenge of the Sith, and I just remember playing with my friends on the playgrounds, you know, lightsaber battling, acting out the plot. We even had the script pretty memorized and would just reenact the scenes and have the soundtrack playing on a stereo or something. And so Star Wars was really my first introduction to orchestral music.
So it kind of combines both of the loves, the music and then the Star Wars. And you're
Oh,
ready.
yeah, definitely.
You're ready. You got lightsaber too. And then, Claire, I got to ask you the same question. Star Wars, how's it influenced you?
Star Wars has been a big part of my life from a very young age. Also, I'm dating myself a little bit, but I did watch the original movies, you know, on VHS with my cousins back in the day. And right now, as a teacher, I actually use a lot of the themes from the Star Wars movies in my teaching. I incorporate it in, you know, let's find the rhythm right here, because my students just love it too, and it's just a really fun, just, I don't know, part of my life now too.
Yeah, we can all go back in the day of watching Star Wars in the drive-in. That's where I saw Star Wars. Now, as we get further along, how does your instruments play a role in the Star Wars scores?
Well, the trumpet has that fanfare element to it, and it's so we always get to be there at the heroic moments, the battle scenes, but we also get to play a few of the lyrical moments as well. And so
it's a big part of it. Yeah, and we're gonna be treated to. And Claire, how about yourself?
So the flute is also really the lyrical, melodic instrument. Most of the time, we have some of the real magical, kind of emotional moments. You know, Yoda's theme, Leia's theme. We have some really beautiful things like that, and we also have fun things like the Ewoks theme.
Yeah.
So you know, John Williams is really good at doing things like that, making beautiful lyrical melodies, so doing things that are, you know, kind of fun and quirky.
And you're cradling the Ewok like a baby. Yes, you're a baby. You know, and people are excited because it kicks off tonight, 7:30 p.m. Speaking of which, goes through the weekend. What can audiences expect from the Star Wars concert series?
Well, it's not quite just a concert series. It's the movie, and rather than having the soundtrack play over the speakers, we are live performing the entire soundtrack. And personally, I got to go see the Chicago Symphony do this. I'm from Chicago, and I got to see them do that. And hearing the different balance with the live music really brings the orchestra to the forefront, and you really get to see how John Williams tells the story of Star Wars through the music.
And it's engaging. It is engaging.
It's so fun. It's very engaging, and the audience loves it. Costumes are welcome. You know, people can clap and cheer anytime they want. A lot of kids come. In fact, our 3 kids are coming on Sunday. So, yeah.
And it's going to be happening. Speaking of which, when and where is it happening, and where can people grab their tickets?
You can grab your tickets at myhso.org, and all the performances are at the Blaisdell Concert Hall.
Thank you, Claire and David. Now, without further ado, here's some music for your Aloha Friday.